What's up, everybody? It's your girl Nylene Giselle. I wanted to do a video to show y'all how I achieve this natural glam makeup look. This is something that I would go to work with, that I'll go run out, maybe go to a bar. Obviously, if I was going to the club or going somewhere real fancy, I would do like some eyeshadow. But this is just like natural glam, no shadow, regular highlight, contour, brows of course, and some baby hair. Can't leave out without doing my baby hairs. So if you like this look and you want to see how I achieve it, then keep on watching. So this is just like a full face that I do, no heavy eyeshadow. I'm not a makeup artist, so yeah, y'all don't be coming for me. Give your girl a chance, okay? So let's get right into it. So right now I have a clean face. I just washed it, exfoliated and moisturized. I used the Pond's dry skin cream. Everybody knows about Pond's. This is like, okay, so the first thing I like to do that I just started doing recently is I like to take some concealer and just put it in some of the parts of my face where I crease. The concealer I like to use is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is the yellow corrector color. As you can see, I barely have any left. Oh, here we go. So then I just blend that out. Beyonce went off on that song. And I take my foundation. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I love the way it feels on my skin. And this is like a lot of coverage for me. Like, I don't really use full coverage foundations, and this is like medium buildable from what I know. Medium to full, undetectable coverage. So I only take like two full pumps. I just dab it all over my face. Blend it all out. It's the only thing I hate about doing my hair before my makeup. Cause now it's like if I was going out, I would have to do my baby hairs over. To highlight, I'm using the Sephora Gel Serum Concealer. This one is the color, your girl can't see. This ain't number 11, but this is what it looks like. And then across my chin, down the bridge of my nose, and y'all already know, a little bit on the forehead. And trying to like concentrate it just underneath the eye, not really dragging it out too much. This cream contour I've literally had forever. The MAC Match Master Concealer. When I bought this, I didn't even know how to use it. The lady was like, are you sure you know what you're doing with this? And I'm like, no, but I'm about to try. This product is so creamy. So it's like, I just don't even put a lot. I just put like a little dash. And I put little dots around my hairline. My MAC 163 brush. You brush. I don't even know what I'm talking about. And I'm not really doing it hard. I'm touching it really light. And I'm just brushing upwards, trying not to pass down here. Bringing it up the side of my hairline. And my hairline, I just lightly buff it out. And I bring it into my hairline a little bit. And down the side of my face. But don't worry, I look funny now, but it's all gonna come together, I promise. So after I blended most of it, then the rest of the way I use my beauty blender to out all of the harsh lines. See how it's like, it looks way different now. To bake, I use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Do these things have colors? My lips getting dry already, goddamn. I dip it, and then I just bake this area. I'm not one of those people that, I just bring it down the side. I'm not one of those people that puts translucent powder on the entire face. I have dry skin, I don't do that. And down my nose, I'm going to do eyebrows. Is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. Can you see that? Yeah. It's a regular like angle brush, but some people like to use like thin, kind of like, oh shit, it just broke. So what I do is I just brush my brows out. Y'all see I have a scar there? Oh my god. That happened to me so long ago. If y'all ever want me to do a story time, I have so many stories that I can honestly tell y'all that y'all be dead. I'm not even kidding. Including how I got this scar. I just start from the bottom and just, I don't really like draw on a whole new set of brows. I kind of just enhance what I already have, like my natural arch. Can y'all see? Put your brush like that. Don't really matter. This eyebrow shot. I'm not even kidding. So I'm just gonna brush off all of this. So now I'll contour my nose. I use like this little blending brush. So I'm just gonna take some. This is like an old Maybelline like brow powder that I use to contour my nose. It's a little more natural looking. It's not so like chocolatey. It's more like gray brown. Also what I do is bring it up into my crease. Okay, one and done. One and done. This is a bronzer. It's a Kiko Milano bronzer. It's on its way out. I had it forever. Can you see that? Like, it's about to go. Ain't even nothing left. I'll be using it. Oh, it's called the Perfecting Bronzer. Light to medium. I need to go makeup shopping, y'all. And what I'm doing is just literally like carving out my cheekbone, making it look more defined. Y'all listen, before I do my liquid liner, okay? Honestly, this is my favorite liquid liner. It's from the dollar store for $1.99. I love it because it is really pigmented. I don't even know what brand this is, Kiss or I don't know. It's good for me. The tip is just regular pointy, but not too thin. I guess I like that because it's easier for me to fill it out, and then it's pointy at the end and it's firm. Like, it's not flimsy. Like, I hate flimsy liquid liners. If y'all know a liquid liner that I could get that's like this, let me know. You can leave me a comment, because honestly, for the price, I'm sticking with this till further notice. I don't care. Right now, I am using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter. Everybody and their mama knows about it. I always use, this is the Mean Money Hustler Baby one. Of course, extra, so I'm using the Hustler Baby side, which is the shinier side. This is, I don't even know what this is. It's like a regular fan brush. Then I go and I like highlight under like the brow bone and connect it. I always go across the tip of my nose. I feel like that just makes it, and then bring it down, and then on top of my lid. And then my chin. And my forehead. And then I just get out of hand. I start putting it everywhere. And I just be fanning my whole body. And over here and over here. Put it everywhere. Then, mascara. One thing that I will let you guys know is that I do not wear lashes unless I absolutely have to, meaning like if I'm doing a photo shoot or I'm doing a runway show or something, and a designer wants me to wear lashes, then I do, but I have naturally long, full, curly lashes. So yeah, I don't wear lashes. I don't know how to put on lashes. They always get caught in my lashes because my lashes are so curly. It's like OD. Let me just show y'all up close if y'all can see. Like, my lashes are crazy. Do you see? So it's like a gift and a curse, because sometimes I do want to get into lashes, but I just can't put them on. It's so, like, I just can't put them on. It's so annoying. So this is the mascara I'm going to use. It's the Kiko Milano Unmeasurable Length Fibers Extension Effect Mascara in black. Just like a regular silver. Again, I'm looking in my mirror, so hopefully with my head to the side you can see. Actually, wait. Blush. Blush, 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 blush. I forgot to put blush. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush in Party. Party. So you got like 3 A's. Party. Just pat it in. I'm not really sure if I do blush right, but I don't care. Okay. Okay, so I usually use like a regular brown liner and then like a nude lip. This is an old brown liner. I don't even know where it came from, but I need a new one. So I just outline my lips, and then I'm gonna go in with the Nikki Nude MAC lipstick, her newer line. Okay, so that completes my makeup look.